Hey guys, it's Kim, and today I am going to make a very easy recipe. This isn't really even a recipe, but I just wanted to show you how easy it can be to use your Instant Pot. So I am making meatball sandwiches. So I have frozen meatballs, a jar of marinara sauce, some rolls, and cheese. If you are in need for a super simple, inexpensive, and quick meal, cleanup is just super easy in the Instant Pot, and then I can be hands-free to play with the kids while it's cooking. Okay, let's jump in. I have about a 1.5 pound bag here, and I'm going to put almost all of them in. I have a 25-ounce jar of pasta sauce. I'm using marinara, but you can use whatever flavor you like. And I am going to pour the entire jar in. And that is literally it. I am not going to add any extra water or anything. That should be enough liquid so it doesn't burn to the bottom. But if you have thicker pasta sauce, you can add like maybe a 1/4 cup of water, but you don't want it too runny. Put the lid on, sealing, and high pressure, and I'm going to do 10 minutes. And that is it. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys, my pin did not actually come up, so I let it go through the whole 10 minutes. It never came to pressure, but I'm not worried about it because of what we're cooking. It should still be plenty warm. Let's take a look. Oh. Whoa, what's in there? It is plenty warm in there. I'll pull out one of the meatballs and just check the temperature, but I am not worried about it. Making zucchini, I just have water and a little oregano, and that's all I do for that. And then I made some fries in the oven, and I will get these on a bun, and that's it. All right, so here is the finished product, and the girls are enjoying their meal. Yummy. Yummy, good. It's not gourmet, but it is easy and super inexpensive and delicious. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have not already, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this easy recipe.